Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.